Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the intraday for Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin with this massive aggressive dump that we already expected, of course, in the daily, because we are looking for our red zone here, 0.38 Fibonacci level, 61k $197. And that because, of course, in case, guys, we have finished here this impulse, in case we are in a 1-2, we're testing the bullish scenario here. There is no way to push for higher without taking the minimum ground here. I would say to push for higher 0.38 Fibonacci level in a wave 1, and then A, B in a C expanding flat wave 2, and then we're pushing toward the upside again. This wave C is still very aggressive. And it has to be aggressive because without being aggressive, we cannot really take the 0.38 Fibonacci level here. And that's why we're looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 potentially in case we still bullish. But yeah, my expectation are still the same, guys. We are in a bear market on the macro level. Therefore, the highest probability is still very likely to go for a finished A, B, and a C even here toward the upside, and then pushing it down very likely in an ending diagonal. Since we took the invalidation of bearish, that doesn't mean that we are bullish, because we invalidate only this impulse, guys. It's a micro impulse, and we have transformed this into a WX and a Y, maybe I would say a zigzag, so the impulse can be finished only here, by the way. And then A, B, and a C, and that means, of course, wave 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 is unfolding toward the downside still as an ending diagonal. So we gotta be careful, but of course, so far, our direction is anyway toward the downside in both case scenario, even if you are bullish, and this is what we mentioned today in the daily. And since the bullish is even toward the downside as a corrective wave, therefore, I'm expecting some lower prices still to reach the 0.38, get a signal of strength, 5 ways up, 3 down, pushing toward the upside, breaking the high as a confirmation. And then, of course, a further confirmation would be taking this high, meaning, of course, 60%, 70% probability gets here. Then we gonna test at the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, where we gonna get an 80% for bullish in case we break it. This is how we're gonna deal with it, guys, step by step as usual. So very likely, currently, the 0.38 is our next target, $61k $200 for Bitcoin. And that was it for the intraday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.